Welcome to Perry Dental. Come on in. You will love coming to our office. You'll be greeted by two wonderful ladies, Abby and Nakia. They're always here to make everybody happy and comfortable. Here's our waiting area. You'll love our area. It's very calm, very nice and comfortable. And we've got a nice coffee machine for all you coffee people here. We love photography, so we take lots of pictures from travels and sometimes our dentistry. We like hot rods too. And here's one of our machines. We make crowns in one visit in our office. We've been doing this for almost 20 years, called CEREC. Very cool. No more temporary crowns. And come on back here. And we have a special x-ray machine that's called a three-dimensional x-ray, which allows us to help design things for our implants and more sophisticated and involved dentistry. We're really proud to offer that because we can do a lot of dentistry that sometimes is unseen with our traditional x-rays.